swim in the lake, go on the jet ski, try paddleboarding.
And some days I'll just take out a paddleboard and go out in the middle of the lake and just lay there.
I think I've grown to be a better person than I was back then.
Learning about their different cultures, learning about their different cuisines, their traditions, their activities from around the world, that has made me a much more worldly person.
Camp Zeke is like a new family.
It's really just because of the tight-knit community that Camp Zeke has. So my name is Alex.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
My name is Aiden.
And I've been here since the very first year of camp in 2014, and this is my first year on staff. And I just think that being a camper here for so long allowed me to be very prepared for my role as a counselor this year. I definitely know what a lot of kids are looking for in their time here at Camp Zeke, and I know like ways that I can give back my amazing experience to kids that are also new to Camp Zeke.
Well, I remember the first year I was so young, I had no idea what was going on. I was like a little homesick.
This is my 7th summer here. I used to be a camper for 6 summers and it's my first year on staff.
This is my 2nd year as a counselor at Camp Zeke, but I've been coming here since 2014 and I'm currently studying at the University of Chicago. So I've been at Camp Zeke since 2014, which was the first year it started. And I was a camper there up until 2019. And for a few years, I also participated in the teen leadership program. And I came back last year, 2021, as a full-time staff member and came back this year again as a counselor.
I decided to become a counselor because every time I was a camper, I always looked up to my counselors and I wanted to give back what they gave me and what made me keep coming back summer after summer. So I just wanted to like relive the experiences, and I also wanted to see camp on the other side, on the staff and like the behind the scenes.
So I keep coming back every year because the camp just keeps improving and it keeps getting bigger, and it's really awesome to see its growth. As a counselor, like I noticed a lot of different things being a counselor that I didn't notice when I was a camper, and it's really cool to be on the other side of things and giving back my experience.
I decided to become a counselor last year because I was very fortunate to have an incredible experience as a camper at Camp Zeke. And I wanted to share what I learned as a camper to try to allow kids to have an even better experience than I had.
Being a camper really did help me become a counselor because every time like there was a rough situation, I was thinking back about the experiences I had when I was younger, or like fun activities I wanted to give back that I really enjoyed. And I think the insights and the way that like I grew up at this camp, and I think that I matured through this camp, and giving that back to my kids and giving it back to all the campers I've had is like a really heartwarming experience for me.
In 2014, Camp Zeke was an extremely tight-knit community. Everybody knew everyone's names, favorite activities, where they were from. And while the camp in the last 9 years has almost tripled in size, that feeling of a tight-knit community has remained the same, which is why I come back year after year.
You know, I've been best friends with a lot of the same people I met as a 8-9-year-old camper in 2014. And they're honestly the reason why I come back every year, just because like I love the people here.
I think Camp Zeke to me is just a community, like a really strong community that seems like a year after year it just gets stronger and stronger, and the connections you make get stronger and stronger. Like Riva said this during orientation, that like every time I come back I say welcome home, because this place is truly a home, and I feel like I really embody that statement.
My whole cabin in our sandals and pajamas, walked down to the lakeside, all pulled up chairs, and just in silence, we just appreciated the small family that we had created. This is a memory that I will cherish for the rest of my life. I ended up writing an essay about this memory, which helped me get to the University of Chicago. So I'm very fortunate that I was able to have it.
I just want to thank Camp Zeke for this experience and to create like the strongest friendships I have. And I can't wait to come back next summer.